Brad Williams, XL Prime. Now let's look at this statement here. This is the profit and loss statement for Microsoft for the last 10 years. The information is available to the public. You can go to Microsoft's website and you can find this information. Otherwise, you can go to the Securities Exchange Commission and look up either the 10Q, which is for the quarterly statements, or the 10K for the annual. This is just an overview. What we want to look for is the EBIT, the operating income, then determine EBITDA. This is just a normal layout. Operating income is earnings before interest and taxes. Why? Here are our operating income. Where is interest? Well, interest is right here. Where is taxes? It's right here. That's why we take operating income and call it EBIT. It's earnings before interest and taxes. We want to figure out what EBITDA, earnings before depreciation and amortization, which is down here. What we want to do, EBITDA, all we're asking is, well, we know what EBIT is. What are we looking for? Depreciation and amortization. Microsoft buries their amortization within their depreciation. What we're looking for here is to add, well, first and foremost, find depreciation, which is right here in L6. In the amortization, it's not listed here because it's either I buried it in here when I calculated this for simplicity, or Microsoft just doesn't line item this. So to get amortization and depreciation, you just add depreciation and amortization to operating income. That's EBITDA. Otherwise, you can just go operating income and then add back depreciation and amortization. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.